This is the Bk Mueller 888556 new style stem assembly for the models with the red handle. Now a couple things to notice about this stem assembly is down on this end here, you're going to have these two metal washers on each side of that rubber kind of packing there. And then coming down to this end will be spring loaded, so it'll just pop right in and out. And then you'll have that rubber O-ring right there at the bottom. Then coming up to that little rubber ring, and then the rubber washers right there at the end with that screw. Now we'll go ahead and get a couple measurements of the stem, starting with a total length. So from end to end, it's going to measure right at 12 inches at the head of that screw. And we can also measure this rubber kind of gasket here. We get an outer diameter. Just going to measure right at about 3/4 of an inch. And then a thickness of right at about 1/4 of an inch. Okay, and we can measure this end here. So from the head of that screw to that indentation there, that is going to measure right at about 2¼ inches at the head of the screw. And yeah, once again, this is the Bk Mueller 888-556 stem assembly.